Billionaire Michael Bloomberg has pulled out of the Democratic presidential primary after yesterday's poor showing across several states. He has now endorsed Joe Biden, who won Texas. And for now, Elizabeth Warren is still in, despite her big losses yesterday. By a wide margin, Democrats saying they prefer a nominee who can beat President Trump to one they may agree with in the major issues. Next Tuesday, a half dozen states will go to the polls. Our Janelle Ford has a wrap-up of Super Tuesday and the problems for voters in Houston.
They don't call Super Tuesday for nothing.
A fired-up Joe Biden is celebrating after resurging as a dominant frontrunner following a few stagnant weeks. The race for the Democratic presidential nomination is now a strong two-man contest between the former vice president and Bernie Sanders.
We are very much alive.
Biden's campaign gained even more momentum this morning when Mike Bloomberg dropped out of the race and endorsed him. Still, the contest is far from over.
We are going to win the Democratic nomination.
Sanders took home the Super Tuesday gold by winning California, coupled with his home state Vermont, plus Colorado and Utah. But Biden took home the most states, raking in 9 of the 14, including Texas, where the call wasn't made until well after midnight. A series of snafus at polling precincts slowed results across the state and right here in Houston. Broken machines at Texas Southern University left many waiting hours to vote. Hervis Rogers was the last person there to cast his ballot.
I want to get my vote in, to voice my opinion, and I wasn't going to let nothing stop me.
Super Tuesday saw the Democratic race reshaping. Elizabeth Warren is now reassessing her campaign. And if Tuesday's primary is any indication, get ready to strap yourself in. It looks even more likely that the fight for the Democratic presidential nomination will go all the way to the convention in July. Standing for Houston, Janelle Ford, KHOU 11 News.